Have you ever accidentally deleted an important file on your laptop and instantly panicked? Don't worry, because today I'll show you 3 easy ways to recover your deleted files on Windows. And the best part is, you don't need to download any software. All right, let's jump straight into it. First, check your recycle bin. Most of the time, your deleted files aren't gone. They're just sitting there, waiting for you to restore them. Just double-click the recycle bin icon on your desktop, look for your file, and sort by date deleted if you need to. Once you find it, right-click and hit Restore. Boom! It's back in its original folder. Super quick and super easy. But what if it's not there? No worries. Let's move on to the next method. Second, use the Temporary Files folder. Windows actually saves backup copies of your files automatically. Press Windows +R on your keyboard, type %10%, and hit Enter. You'll see a secret folder full of temporary files. Sort them by date modified, and you might just find your missing document, project, or photo there. This trick works really well for unsaved Word, Excel, or PowerPoint files. Pretty cool, right? And finally, method number 3, recover from OneDrive. If your laptop is synced with Microsoft OneDrive, your deleted files might still be safe in the cloud. Go to onedrive.live.com or open the OneDrive app on your computer. Check the recycle bin inside OneDrive. Deleted files usually stay there for up to 30 days. Find your file, click Restore, and just like that, it's back where it belongs. And there you have it. 3 simple, no-download ways to recover deleted files on your Windows laptop. Recycle bin, Temporary Files folder, and OneDrive. Easy, fast, and effective. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss more quick tech tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.